Welcome back to the Stock Indicator Simplified Series. Today we are looking at volume trend. We already covered volume spike earlier. A volume spike is one unusually large bar. Volume trend is different. It asks whether trading activity is building or fading across several bars. Think of it this way: one loud clap can get your attention, but a crowd getting louder over time tells you interest is growing. That is the idea behind volume trend. In signal alert, this rule has two main settings. First is direction. Increasing means volume has been rising. Decreasing means volume has been falling. Second is minimum bars. If you choose 5 bars, the alert looks for that pattern across 5 trading periods, not just one day. Why do traders watch this? Because price moves are more useful when you know whether participation is growing. If price is breaking above resistance while volume keeps increasing, the move may have stronger support behind it. It does not guarantee the breakout will work, but it says more traders are showing up. Now the risk side. If price is bouncing but volume keeps decreasing, that bounce may be weaker than it looks. There may not be enough participation behind the move. On the other hand, if price is selling off and volume keeps increasing, that can confirm risk because sellers are active. The common mistake is thinking rising volume is always bullish. It is not. Rising volume means more activity, but you still need to ask, is price moving up or down? Is it near support or resistance? Is the broader trend helping or fighting the move? Use volume trend as a participation check, not as a trade by itself. In signal alert, add volume trend, choose increasing or decreasing volume, set the minimum number of bars, and create the alert. The goal is simple: let signal alert watch whether market interest is building or fading so you can review the chart with more context. Visit signal alert.io and build your next market alert in minutes.